go on to our next conversation and our next panel discussion, which is on WPL, Women Premier League, the new sensation. And here on the dais, we would call our eminent personalities Dr. H.K. Bali, Kashvi Gautam, Aditi Rathi, Mukta Singla, in conversation with Mr. Vijay Lokpali. So if I have to let you introduce to all of them, Dr. H.K. Bali has more than 30 years of experience in cardiology. He's introduced primary angioplasty for management of heart attacks in this region. He is actually a professional who has performed greater elements of work for more than 15,000 patients, and he's been working there with a great academic award from PGI, and then his inclination to sport has been there throughout. With him we have Kashvi Gautam. She has been a part of the winning squad Emerging Asia Cup 2023 held in Hong Kong, senior women T20s non-zone matches, Lucknow and England, and she has also been the first woman to take all 10 wickets in a limited over match affiliated to BCCI. Apart from Kashvi, we have Aditi Rathi. She is an ex-radio jockey, public speaker, anchor, editor. She has covered sports events like IPL and ICC tournaments such as Cricket World Cup and World Test Championship digitally. Raised more than 1 crore views on different social media platforms while doing the same. She is at Sportsar, the sports branch of one of the most popular digital media companies, NMF, as an anchor. Then we have Mukta Goyal, an architect by profession, is also a gold medalist in Taekwondo, red belt in Judo Karate, state level badminton champion, and has played professional cricket as well. Her first book is a collection of poems under the name of Alfaze Zindagi. Wow, that's a great name. Okay. And then we have Mr. Vijay Lokpali, who's joined us again. He's one of the most eminent people here into the element of sports, a noted journalist, author, and former deputy editor of The Hindu and Sports Star. Along with all of these, we also have Aditi, who is a young cricket player, and she has joined us, and she is there in Carmel Convent. So we have all the girls out over there into the sports arena discussing and speaking about sports.
Actually, get one more chair. One more chair. You can take the blue one. Take the blue one, yeah. That's it,
Ma'am, can I just request you to shift down a bit to your...
Yeah, oh, she can just come.
Yeah, she's there, she's there. Let her be there.
I didn't put it again.
Yeah.
Okay, looking forward to the conversation, girls, and our eminent moderators. Thank you.
I'm not other. Hey, just here. You can study Krishna. Yeah, great.
You can please take over the mics from the table.
There's another one there.
Yes, another. Decent.
Hello everyone. We have a very distinguished family here. And Dr. Bali, you all know if he's not operating, trying to save lives, he's only watching together. Yeah. And in the group, I can make out that he is not performing a surgery. He's at home enjoying IPL. And we're very happy to know Aditi, our budding anchor. Someday we can watch her on Star Sports.
Sure, for sure.
Mukta. Yeah, as she is a poet also. She is in a book also. Kashvi, of course, we know. Well known. As the Aditi on my left, I've just met. She is Aditi.
Don't mind just stepping.
Yeah. So she is also a cricketer. We get to hear reviews. But I'll begin with Dr. Bali. How much do you watch women's cricket?
Respect friends.
Good afternoon, Vijay. It's a pleasure to be here today. And cricket is my blood. And the other day I was saying that the only field in which I have offered excuses is cricket. And that's the only field where I've not done well. So one thing which we need to learn is we should own up our responsibilities, never offer any excuses. If you don't offer excuses, you're going to be successful in your field of choice. Coming to women cricket, I have been watching women cricket from way back, 1974 probably. Shanta Rangaswamy, Shubhangi Kulkarni, Diana Idolji. And I've seen them play. Shanta was a great batsman in the mold of Rahul Dravid. Idolji, all of us know, left arm spinner. And Shubhangi Kulkarni was a very stoic batsman, very perfect batsman, and she used to wear a sola hat while batting, bob cut and sola hat. So I remember that. So I have followed women cricket off and on. But subsequently, somewhere along the line, we lost track, and then we started watching international women cricket. And that was when last year our girls did very well to reach almost to the level where they were going to win the cup. But women Premier League came last year, and we have been very, very intently watching it. And it was nice to see people competing, and the commitment to their franchisee was even stronger to what I see in male cricketers. And watching Smriti, Mandana, and Harmanpreet Kaur, of course, and so many good players. So I think women cricket is here, not only here to stay, it is here and running. And we are likely to see it has become very competitive. And this time RCB won. RCB has won women cricket. But we wish in the next, our lifetime, they do win the IPL also sometime. So I think we have Kashvi here. So I'm excited to be here amongst the young cricketers, young women cricketers here. And we will be watching their movements going forward. Kashvi, of course, bagged a very high price in the auction. And that speaks volume about her commitment to the game and her potential going forward. 10 wickets in a match?
Yeah.
10 wickets, 8 overs, 12 runs in 2020. Great achievement. And she looks very boyish, very childish. Not boyish, childish. And I think we should be looking forward and watching her progress as things go. And of course, Mukta Naam Minnesota.
Thank you, Roxanne. Honestly, when in the beginning of my career, midway through the career, I was asked to do a women's test match in Lucknow. And I was such a Mary Q. I mean, why I was picked when there were so many men matches going on. Because women's cricket was looked at very differently when I was in my initial years of journalism. And then, of course, all the names he has taken, they're all today in my very close friend circle. Shanta, Shubhangi, Sudha Shah, they've all done well. So, I would love to ask Ashwin, IPL अपनी जगह क्रिकेट क्यों खेलना शुरू किया एक और अभी क्या है मतलब अभी आगे क्या है
सर एक्चुअली क्रिकेट के साथ अलग ही प्यार था. स्टार्टिंग मैंने गली क्रिकेट से की, लड़कों के साथ खेलती थी जब 5 साल की थी 6 साल की थी तब से. तो वहाँ से एक इंटरेस्ट बिल्ड होगा कि खेलना स्पोर्ट्स और भी काफ़ी खेले. एथलेटिक्स करा मैंने प्रोफेशनल स्केटिंग की है. पर क्रिकेट के साथ एक अलग सा ही वो पैशन होता है ना कि खेलना तो क्रिकेट ही खेलना है, तो वो था. और जैसे जैसे चीज़ें आती गई थ्रू माई वे जर्नी मेरी चलती गई. स्टेट खेला, उसके बाद जोनल्स खेले, उसके बाद अभी पिछले साल इंडिया एक ही टीम में आई, उसके बाद WPL. तो मेरा नेक्स्ट एम यही है कि मैं इंडिया के लिए खेलूँ और इंडिया को सर्व करूँ, इंडिया के लिए वर्ल्ड कप जीतूँ और अपनी कंट्री को सर्व कर काम करूँ.
Aditi, you've done a lot of work in cricket, doing anchoring, making your YouTube shows. So do you think women cricketers were ready for WPL 1? And what has been the impact of one-day cricket? Because test matches to India won't come खेलता. So how important is test cricket for women's cricket 1 and the impact of WPL? I mean, what do you see ahead?
So to understand this, we have to get back to early 2000s. And I have to remind you of an instance which I'm sure not a lot of you know here. So it was about 2003, a very well-known name called Mandira Bedi. You must have heard of her name, but as an actor or as a commentator. You must have seen her in iconic Bollywood movie DDLJ. So in 2003, she was endorsing some jewelry brand, and on the same hand, women's cricket team did not have any sponsor at all for a bilateral series. Likes of Mithali Raj, the legend she is, had nobody to sponsor her bilateral series. So there Mandira Bedi came forward. So she said that I'll do the modeling project, and whatever I get out of it, I'll sponsor your bilateral series. So a woman came forward to sponsor women's team. And this is how it started. Mithali Raj, Jhulan Goswami, you all must have heard these names before many times. But this was the first time the revolutionary break took place in the women's cricket. And cut short to now, 2024, we have had an amazing WPL season. So coming to WPL, I have to say that it's just been 2 seasons, and you must have heard of this franchisee Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Why I want to talk about this is because this was the turning point, or this will prove to be the turning point for women's cricket now. So Royal Challengers Bengaluru has been a very famous franchisee with one of the most loyal fan base, making one of the best businesses out of all the franchisees that we have in IPL. So RCB, having likes of Virat Kohli, Chris Gayle, Dale Steyn, AB de Villiers, could never make it to have one trophy in the entire 16-year span, which was very upsetting, not just for the franchisee, but also for the aggressive and inspired player that Virat Kohli is. So in 2024, a revolutionary thing happened. RCB in 16 years won for the very first time, making history. So Virat Kohli, the gentleman he said, listen, we are not going to make simple Instagram posts about this. We have to appreciate these women, because the cabinet that we have had for trophy has been empty for all these years. So they won the trophy, and he said every IPL season, before every IPL season, we have this jersey unboxing event in Chinnaswamy Stadium, which is RCB's home ground. So this time also they had it, and they made sure that all the winning players of RCB are appreciated amongst the crowd. So all of the men's team, the management, the staff, they stood outside and they appreciated all the women. They went on with the trophy on the ground, and fans were cheering. So this was the same revolutionary, the turning point that we have seen back in 2003. So this is going to be, let's say, this is the turning point, and from here, the WPL is going upwards and onwards, and there's more to come to WPL, I believe.
मुक्ता, आपने 4 साल पहले की काम कर दी।
Yes, sir.
So क्या खासियत है women's cricket? आपने men's cricket पे कभी लिखा है? नहीं, जरूरत नहीं। हाँ, so let us tell us something about your book.
सर पहले तो मैं ये बोलूँगी कि जब हम मेंस क्रिकेट में थे तो जब वो लोग खेलते थे वहाँ पे, तो उस टाइम पे क्या था कि हम देखते थे कि वो खेल रहे हैं, और हमारे मन में भी होता था कि हम भी जाके खेलेंगे। तब इवनिंग गेम्स का टाइम होता था हमारे टाइम पे। मैं कि 7 बॉर्न हूँ, स्कूल में इवनिंग गेम्स होती थी, तो वहाँ पे हम ऐसे ही हाथ घुमा के, तो सर ने बोला अगर लड़के खेल सकते हैं तुम लड़कियाँ क्यों नहीं खेल सकती। तो एक तो मैं उस पर बोलूँगी कि जब छोरों ने उठाया बल्ला तो हुआ था खूब हल्ला, जब आई छोरियों की बारी तो सबने कहा छोरियाँ क्या छोरों से कम है हमारी। तो ये सबसे चेंज आया था, तो तब से मैंने अपना क्रिकेट का करियर तब से स्टार्ट कर दिया था खेलना। उसके बाद मैं कॉलेज में गई, तो कॉलेज में भी अपनी वहाँ कोई स्पोर्ट्स की टीम नहीं थी, यूनिवर्सिटी की टीम मैंने बनाई वहाँ कॉलेज में जाके, PDU के अंडर, पंजाब टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर। उस बार खेलते गए, और 13 में जब जाके अब और जनरेशन आ गई और लड़कियों में कैलिबर आगे खेलने लगे, तो सोचा कि अब छोड़ देना चाहिए। लेकिन क्रिकेट का कीड़ा प्लास्टिक का होता है, वो ना सड़ता है ना गलता है, वो अंदर ही रहता है आपके। तो मैंने कहा अब खेल नहीं सकते, लेकिन चलो उसके बाद साथ जुड़े रह सकते हैं। तब सर मैंने राइजिंग स्पेल ऑफ वुमेन्स क्रिकेट सोचा, और उस टाइम ये लड़कियाँ 2017 में वर्ल्ड कप खेल के वापस लौटी थी, तब से ये लोग लड़कियाँ लाइमलाइट में आना शुरू हो गई थी, तो तब से लड़कियों का राइज स्टार्ट हो गया था सर।
तो अदिति आपने किताब पढ़ के खेलना शुरू किया? तो मुझे बताइए कितना मुश्किल था क्रिकेट खेलना या घर में कन्विंस करना कि मैं जब बाहर जाके खेलूंगी, तो उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा कि छोरी घर पे रोटी बना या कपड़े दो?
Good afternoon, everyone. Actually, मैंने क्रिकेट खेलना इसलिए शुरू किया था जिसको मैं फिटनेस, and my father has always been keen in cricket, so interest पहले से था. बचपन में बिल्कुल interest नहीं था. I would get so irritated watching my father put on the TV every time और मैच चल रहा होता था. Irritation होती थी कि switch off the TV या फिर cartoons चला दो. तो क्रिकेट I just started for my fitness. धीरे धीरे इंटरेस्ट बना और ज़्यादा जानने की उत्सुकता हुई.
So there was no opposition from home front or from your school or from your friend. They would have wondered, why are you playing a man's game?
Yeah, I can say that because it's a male-dominated game, of course. But I've never faced any discrimination. But ground में whenever I used to go, there used to be boys. And I was the first girl in my academy. तो थोड़ा weird लगता था, but धीरे धीरे सबके साथ मतलब I got involved or I got to learn a lot of things. तो हो गया.
Dr. Saab, once I made one interview with Shumangi, and she said कि लड़कियों को हमेशा बुढ़िया, लड़कियों को बैट या hockey or whatever. So now things have changed so much. Today in Delhi, the high performance center which DDCA runs has more girls than boys.
Wow.
Yeah, and coaches everywhere are flooded with requests from parents who are bringing their daughters to come and play cricket. So did you ever imagine that it will come to such a stage where male trainees at the coaching center would first watch the women's play and then they get their turn to come in practice?
I think it has something to do with the way world has evolved over the last 20-30 years. And you see different fields. You see tennis, you see different games, and other fields of streams as well. Women are not only trying to participate, they are outdoing males as well. And this comes because parents have started understanding that they have been discriminating against women for ages, and that has to end now. And most parents now understand that women should not only be financially independent, they should pursue the profession of their choice. And sports is one of the very iconic streams, you can say. I personally believe that every child must pursue some sport and a team sport to be better. So I think it is a larger area. In Indian cricket as well, if we see, initially we thought that women were not physically that fit. So they could probably not compete at a high level, particularly in the field of fielding, or bowling, or hitting long hits. Now we see that physical fitness has become a part of our development, our game. Most children, ladies, girls included, do go to gym. They do spend time on developing their muscles and other physical fitness, and they also have mental strength coming along. So that has helped them to compete. We are very, I would say, apprehensive that would we be able to see a test cricket, a woman 5-day match. But you can see now that people are playing 160 not out, and there are women who have played 100 tests and beyond 100. So therefore, it's a larger societal change which has taken place. And I look towards this field very positively. And I think going forward, this is going to be as competitive as male cricket, because it's not football, it's still cricket. So the physical exertion which is required may be as good as in tennis or other games, but not combative sports like football or soccer, American soccer or something. So I feel there's a lot of future, and they are very exciting players to watch, and they are spending a lot of energy and time and commitment towards the game, and which is all showing. In the last 5 years, we have seen the change which has come up. The bowlers which are bowling much faster, running between the wickets has improved. You know, the way these girls are diving on the boundary to retrieve, they are fighting for every run. I think its future is very, very exciting. And I had not imagined it 5 years ago.
Girls know how to fight. Correct? So Kashmi, एक तो initially क्या अड़चने आपको मुश्किल लगी होगी शुरू में, और अब लाइफ कितना डिफरेंट है?
सर स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा एकेडमी ढूंढना काफ़ी मुश्किल था, तो क्योंकि गर्ल्स की एकेडमी आज से 4-5 साल पहले इतनी नहीं थी, अब तो काफ़ी सेंटर्स है, चंडीगढ़, पंचकूला, मोहाली, इवन छोटे छोटे गाँव में भी अब सेंटर्स है क्रिकेट के वुमेन के लिए। पर 4-5 साल पहले नहीं था, तो लड़कों के साथ प्रैक्टिस करना, तो वहाँ पर इतनी बैटिंग बॉलिंग नहीं मिलती थी मुझे, वो पहले लड़कों को प्रेफरेंस देते थे। तो 1-2 साल वैसे ही चला, उसके बाद कहीं ना कहीं से किसी ने बोला कि ये टैलेंट है इसमें, तो मेरे फादर को किसी ने सजेस्ट किया, जो मेरे कोच है अभी उनका, तो मैं उनके पास गई, तो उसके बाद से मेरी लाइफ थोड़ी स्मूथ हो गई है। उनकी गाइडेंस के अंदर मैंने फर्स्ट ईयर में पंजाब क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन से स्टेट खेला। जब मैं 13 साल की थी तो मैंने अंडर 19 स्टेट खेला। तो अब मेरा एक ही एम है कि मैं इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करूँ जल्दी से जल्दी, और रिप्रेजेंट करने से ज़्यादा मुझे वहाँ पे स्टे करना है और परफॉर्म करना है इंडिया के लिए।
सेल्फी मेरे को चाहिए आपके साथ। So, Aditi, in your field, anchoring, broadcasting, do you feel any discrimination? Do you feel it's a struggle to make an impact, make a place for yourself compared to some of your male colleagues who may not be very good? But do you feel that there is discrimination?
There is to some extent, I would say, sir. And I believe it is in every field, literally. But I think it is more for athletes, what I feel. Because we have been talking about Sachin Tendulkar's longevity. He never took an off. But when are we talking about Mithali Raj's longevity? Dude, she's playing since 1999 and she got retired in 2022. What better longevity could there ever be? There's Jhulan Goswami, such pillars of cricket, and they have toiled all their life, blood and sweat, and while knowing that there will be no sponsors, while knowing that there will be no media coverage, while knowing that no one's going to look at their match, the fans are not interested because they believe that women are better making gold rotis and it's men are better playing cricket and other sports. So it has been very challenging for them. I would like to speak for them more. Of course, it is challenging for me as well, establishing myself in this cutthroat industry which media is, and not forgetting to mention that it is harsh for women also in sports. You know, they don't want to cover maybe because it won't garner those many views as it garners from men's cricket. What I noticed was that every panel which we've had before, they mentioned about cricket in a way that cricket is everything. It is a top-notch sport, which it is. It derives the best business in the country. It gains the best viewership. It has the best opportunities. One of the greatest star from India is from men's cricket, which is Virat Kohli right now. He's a sensation. But when it comes to women's cricket, we wouldn't see much things like that. So it has taken long, it takes long, but I believe that especially after WPL, the time RCB won it, they showed that what your men's team couldn't do in the last 16 years, we have done it in the very second season. So this was revolutionary, and I believe it's going to get better from here. The viewership, the media coverage, the fan following, everything is going to get better from here onwards and upwards.
Vijay, can I do a couple of questions?
Sure, sir.
One is, if we go back in time, there was a battle of sexes, if you remember. Bobby Riggs versus Billie Jean King. And Bobby Riggs was an aging 70-year-old tennis player. And Billie Jean King was the reigning champion at that time. And he challenged that women are not good enough. And Bobby Riggs did defeat Billie Jean King. And we have come a long way since that time. And today, we look at Serena Williams, the record which she has made. I don't think it's going to be like Bob Dylan's record, which stayed for 30 odd years. That record is going to be broken anytime soon. So, women athletes, sports person have come a big way. And she was mentioning, Aditi was mentioning about anchoring. And you say that not only in women cricket, not only in WPL, we are saying in IPL and international cricket also. Manyati Langar is there. Isha Guha is there, then we have Anjum Chopra. A lot of ladies are doing not only wonderful commenting, they are anchoring the shows of male people as well. So I think we are on equal grounds now. and it can only get better. And she's a very, very strong RCB person. And I wish males could live up to your expectation. We all wish RCB could win. But if wishes could be, RCB would win.
No wonder Mithali Raj, when she was asked by a journalist, then who is your favorite male cricketer? She turned around and said, "Have you ever asked a male cricketer who is your favorite female cricketer?" So that was a lovely reply, which probably summed it up so beautifully. And in terms of popularity, I can tell you there were these games in WPL matches in Delhi, and I had a tough time organizing meeting requests for passes and tickets because there's so much of pressure. They all wanted to go and buy tickets, if not passes. So that again shows that women's cricket has a great future. It has come to stay. पर मुक्ता, अगर आप आज देखते हो, कभी आपको लगा कि ये स्टेज आएगा क्रिकेट में जहाँ पे लोग तंग करेंगे कि पास चाहिए टिकट चाहिए?
ऑब्वियसली सर, अगर मैं अपने टाइम की बात बताऊं वो या देख तक है, तो अब उस टाइम पे क्या था कि आपको गलत गाइडेंस करने वाले बहुत लोग थे. लाइक जब मैंने अपना क्रिकेट करियर स्टार्ट किया तो मुझे किसने बोला आपकी बेट एथलेटिक होनी चाहिए, आपको ऑलराउंडर होना चाहिए. तो मैंने ऑलराउंडर को समझा कि मुझे सारे स्पोर्ट्स करने चाहिए. मैंने एथलेटिक बेट को सोचा कि मुझे एथलेटिक्स में भी जाना चाहिए. तो मैंने क्या करा, मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया सारे स्पोर्ट्स में खेलना. तो मतलब लाइक होता है कि आपको एक अच्छी दिशा नहीं मिल पाती थी उस टाइम पे. लेकिन अगर हम आज की बात करें तो ऑब्वियसली आज आप पे करके आपको पेड आपके थेरेपिस्ट मिल रहे हैं, पेड कोचेस मिल रहे हैं, आपको मेंटल उसके साइकोलॉजिस्ट मिल रहे हैं पेड. तो वो चीज़ों का फ़र्क बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ा है सर आपकी क्रिकेट में, आपकी किसी भी स्पोर्ट में, या आपकी खुद की मतलब आपको खुद को आगे बढ़ने के लिए. और सर अगर मैं अपनी एक छोटी सी पॉइंट इसमें सुनाना चाहती हूँ, जो मेरा एथलेटिक्स टाइम पे हुआ था कि जब मैंने अपना क्रिकेट से पहले मैं एथलीट भी थी, तो उसमें मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही प्यारा इंसिडेंट हुआ था. शायद आप लोग इसको एंजॉय करो. 100 मीटर रेस थी, फुल ऑन पेस थी, लड़कियां हम 5 थी, हो गई सबके जूतों की जांच थी. मेडल मुझे लाना था क्योंकि प्रेशर बहुत था घर वालों का कि अगर जा रही है तो मेडल तो लेके आएगी, घर में मत घुसना. तो मेडल मुझे लाना था, पूरी दुनिया को अपने बारे में बताना था. जैसे ही रेस शुरू हुई मैं भागी बनकर छुई मुई. मेरे से बहुत तेज 3 लड़कियां मेरे आगे थी, वो भी भगवान का नाम लेकर ही भागी थी. 2 लड़कियों ने एक साथ की फिनिशिंग लाइन पार, गोल्ड और सिल्वर मेडल तो मैं गई थी हार. अब मैंने भगवान की तरफ किया इशारा, मैंने बोला ब्रॉन्ज हारना मुझे नहीं होगा गवारा. इतने में जो तीसरी लड़की मेरे आगे भाग रही थी वो गिर पड़ी. मैं ब्रॉन्ज मेडल पाने के लिए आगे बढ़ी. जब जीत गई मैं मेडल, तब मैंने भगवान को बोला ऐसे लड़की को नहीं था गिराना. भगवान बोला चल चुप कर, मुझे तेरे लिए था ब्रॉन्ज मेडल लाना. एंड में रेस पूरी करते हुए मैं लड़की को गई उठाने. मैंने बोला बहन डोंट माइंड, भगवान खुद आए थे मुझे जिताने. So this is my real incident. तो ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स मेरे साथ होते रहते हैं स्पोर्ट्स में. तो मुझे लगता है लक भी बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. मतलब इस पोइम का यही था कि लक भी बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. अगर आपका साथ लग गया तो आप कहीं भी ऊंचाइयों को छू सकते हैं.
Aditi, cricket has always been normally meant because of the history. And in India it took a while for women to take to cricket. They were playing hockey.
Yeah.
They were athletes. Football was in the but when you look at women's cricket, what was it that you thought and was the best aspect of women's cricket? And how is it, if there is anything you want to imbibe from men's cricket, what would it be? Athleticism or robust power or robust hitting on the ground? Because लोगों को लगता है कि फीमेल लड़की मतलब एक बैटर women's cricket में 6 मारते हुए ये अच्छी लगती है, बाउंड्री मारती है. I mean, this thinking is bad because girls are still looked at as very delicate and misfit in women's cricket or misfit playing cricket.
That's just a mentality that people had. It has changed throughout the years now, and I think what we have to learn, of course,
Will explain it says
you just say how or something which you can borrow from men's cricket, which will make it more attractive. If you think so.
I think the mental toughness that men's cricket beholds is something that we need as well, because men are mentally tough more than women are. I think so, and that's what we should abide from that.
Where there are two ladies here, they will not agree that men are
Other way around.
mentally tougher than
Other way
women.
around. Women are stronger than men.
Absolutely, absolutely. Here she's a kid, so she that's why next year she'll become stronger than men mentally. And so, मैं आपसे आता हूँ Aditi, tell me one thing why I should go and watch women's cricket.
Wonderful question. So, like I said, okay, recently one thing happened in ground itself that Harleen Dior, you all must be aware of her name. She took a wonderful catch, if you remember. It was near the boundary. Remember? How many of you remember that catch? It went viral on Reels by Harleen Dior.
Alinda,
Yeah.
I received a video yesterday
Yes.
that 10 sports covered the
Yeah.
best moments of 10 sports in the recent
And Harleen's catch was one of them.
That was one on the top.
Yeah.
In that PT.
So we have the tendency, by we I mean women's cricket has the tendency to provide same entertainment as men's. Number one, because we have to agree that we do watch cricket for entertainment. Number two, I have to tell you that last WPL season, the fee for ticket for WPL was free of cost for women, and for boys it was charged 100 rupees. So BCCI thought behind this that people will not come, and the only way to get them to stadium was to keep the ticket fee very low or negligible. Let's say they came to the stadium, everyone came and watched the match for free. The next season, we have witnessed the record-breaking 24,000 people in Arun Jaitley Stadium watching women's cricket.
Yes.
What changed? Entertainment changed, and people realized that what we get out of men's cricket is something we can also get out of women's cricket. It is no longer different. It's not about the difference of ability. So I believe that that margin has decreased to a greater extent, and you can go and watch women's cricket for entertainment, for learning, and for the mental strength, for the longevity. If you want to see, you can see Mithali Raj. How long has she been carrying Indian women's cricket? So these are the reasons that you can certainly go on for watching women's cricket, I believe.
मुक्ता, अपनी अगली किताब में क्या जो एस्पेक्ट है विमेंस क्रिकेट का जो आप चाहोगी हाईलाइट करूँ जिसमें नहीं था?
सर एक्चुअली जो WPL का हम देख रहे हैं, तो मेरे जो बुक का अगला मैं उसको दे रही हूँ, टाइटल को दे रही हूँ PWL, पावरफुल वुमेन लीग। तो उसमें तो ये मेरा आज मैंने अनाउंस कर दिया इसको अपना टाइटल, तो PWL मेरा टाइटल होगा। तो उसमें सारी जितनी भी लड़कियां भी खेल रही हैं, आने वाले टाइम में खेल लेंगी, तो उनके पावर को सर मैंने लाना है, वो इस पे चेंज होगा
ना। और
उसको छोड़ के सर उनके स्टैट्स जो भी होंगे लड़कियों के, और जो टेक्निक्स वो इस टाइम भी यूज़ कर रही है। और मैं टेक्निक्स की बात करूँगी बुक में कि नॉर्मल उसमें जो खेलती हैं लड़कियाँ इंडिया के लिए, तो उसमें क्या टेक्निक्स यूज़ करती हैं, और WPL में क्या टेक्निक्स यूज़ यूज़ करती हैं।
अच्छा काश्मीर, जब आपको एग्जाम्पल्स देते हैं आपके कोच, अब तो हैं कोच, तो वो किसी वुमेन प्लेयर को एग्जाम्पल रखते हैं क्या? कोई तेंदुलकर, कोई द्रविड़ को या विराट को रख के मिलते हैं? बिकॉज डू यू हैव रोल मॉडल इन योर, आपका खुद का कौन रोल मॉडल है वुमेन्स क्रिकेट में?
सर आई लुक अप टू एलिस पेरी, द ऑस्ट्रेलियन ऑलराउंडर, और क्योंकि शी इज़ अ फिट एथलीट, लाइक वुमेन्स क्रिकेट में आई थिंक नंबर 1 एथलीट है वो इस टाइम। और आई थिंक मेरे कोच भी जब भी एग्जांपल देते हैं तो उन्हीं का देते हैं, बिकॉज शी इज़ आई थिंक 33 और 34, और आई थिंक उसने 16 ईयर्स में खेलना शुरू किया था ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम के लिए। तो आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू बिकम लाइक हर, यू नो द स्पैन जो उसका स्पैन रहा है खेलने का वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, और ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम में आई थिंक जब भी वो फील्ड पे उतरती है तो अपना पूरा 100% एफर्ट देती है।
As a player, do you think Australia, how long will it take for us to reach the fitness levels of the athleticism of, say, Australia, New Zealand?
सर आई थिंक वेरी सून, बिकॉज जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, न्यूजीलैंड है या इंग्लैंड है, इवन यहाँ पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा लीग्स होती हैं जो कि इंडिया में अभी 2 सीज़न से ही शुरू हुई है। तो आई थिंक जो लीग में जब हम जाते हैं और इन प्लेयर्स को देखते हैं, इनका रूटीन देखते हैं, प्री मैच रूटीन या जिम सेशंस देखते हैं, तो हम भी काफ़ी चीज़ें सीखते हैं। तो आई थिंक 1 or 2 ईयर्स में हम भी इनसे मैच कर जाएंगे।
Aditi, do you think women's cricket needs board matches in domestic circuit because there are very little for girl cricketers in India, in domestic.
Yes, sir. Surely we will include domestic matches with experience, and as well we learn a lot from them. And the only lag India has, BCCI, is less domestic matches for women, especially the test match.
So how many matches would you play in a month normally? Get to play.
Get to play approximately 4.
No, from 2 3 years. That's all. Yeah, no, it's all. That's T20. Almost gosh, it's it.
That's right. So you see, lots of your theory. I take your home training and contributing views on the state of women's cricket in India. When would you invite me to watch a women's cricket match?
I think one thing which I'll say is that this time in WPL, the brand ambassadors were Hardik Pandya, MS Dhoni, and Bumrah. I want that to change. Next year it should be Mithali Raj and Churan Goswami and maybe Anjum Chopra. They should be the one thing which I would like to see. So unless, what is our psychology still is that we are looking up to male cricketers, female are still looking up to them. That has to change and they have to come up in their own right. That is the one part of this. Then more matches have to come up. And women should get as much money as their male partners do. And that has happened in Wimbledon. Last 20 years we had a big fight. There was 2-set matches and then a 3-set match of best of 5 for the male. And they were getting much more prize money, which was more than double. And now some parity has come up. So I think women cricketers should also be given the same amount of respect which male cricketers are. And that will get more girls to take up sports as a career option. It still is a problem. That is second thing which I'll say. Third thing is I will invite you when Punjab is good enough to make a team. And we want to work hard for that. And males have not done. So we should take a cue from RCB. The males could not do. Let our girls do it better. So Punjab boys have also not done anything great.
And so we need.
So let's have a Punjab cricket Queens team as well.
So we need more teams in WPL, not 5. We need 15 teams.
Punjab PL also.
Yeah, obviously Punjab teams. So
Punjab Jattis would be a better.
Yeah.
Rather than Punjab.
And Shweta, we are looking good in your t-shirt, so you can
Thank you, Shweta ma'am.
probably sponsor the Punjab women's team whenever it's ready. So thank you everyone, and thank you.
Sir, एक question था. Sir, एक. Go away. निकल गया. तो main आपने अभी बात लिस्ट करके सर, जब भी हम मल्टी स्पोर्ट्स की करते हैं, मेडल इंडियन मेडल टैली की बात करते हैं, तो वीमेन टीम मोर लॉयल टू कंपेयर टू मेल टीम. कॉमनवेल्थ विंगम में तो मेरी टीम ने सिल्वर मेडल जीता, वीमेन टीम फिक्स में. एशियन गेम्स में मेल टीम का भी गोल्ड आया, लेकिन वीमेन टीम अपनी मेन टीम भेजती है, बी टीम में भेजती जैसे मेल टीम ऐसे करती है. 98 में कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स हुई थी, तब इंडियन मेल टीम ने बी टीम भेजी थी, मेडल नहीं आया. तो वीमेन टीम जब भी कोई मल्टी स्पोर्ट्स का मेडल का गेम होता है, चाहे बर्मिंघम में कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स हुई या फिर एशियन गेम्स हुई, तब उन्होंने अपनी मेन टीम भेजी तो सिल्वर और गोल्ड जीता. ये सबसे बड़ी बात है, वीमेन टीम हमारे इंडिया के लिए खेलती है.
तो उनको चांसेस ऐसे ही कम मिलते हैं, तो वी वांट टू ग्रैब इट. आई थिंक इट इज cricket. I mean cricket, not Applewhite. We're talking about cricket, Manjusha.
They wanted to ask.
No, I don't want to ask anything. I just read something. It's a beautiful line. They said we were all busy empowering women across the globe. We forgot to condition and prepare the society for it. And somewhere I feel that. So I think great jobs are done on the other side. But I think as a society, we have not changed our mindset. And that has been a reflection of the entire talk, what I heard from you. And the other observation I had in WPL recently is that you don't need short boundaries anymore. And I've seen women hitting, sixes much beyond their own, the rope that they have put in.
सर ये शॉर्ट बाउंड्री पे मैं बताऊंगी, हरमनप्रीत कौर जो भी कैप्टन है, वो जब उसका सिलेक्शन हुआ था ये स्टेट टीम के लिए, तब शी वाज अराउंड 13 और 14, तो उसने 6 बॉल्स पे 6 सिक्सेस मारे थे.
और जो बाहर कोचेस बैठे थे या सिलेक्टर्स बैठे थे उन्होंने बोला चेक करवा लो कुछ खा पी के तो नहीं आई तो ये तब की बात है, तब से होनी चाहिए थी बाउंड्रीज तो.
So what I'm trying to tell you is that you're not less. You don't need short boundaries. You can still hit the sixes.
Harmanpreet has been hitting sixes in Big Bash.
Yes.
And you know, look at her back lift.
Yes.
This is as good as Sauber's ever had.
Sir, this
goal Laura had.
the sixes went into the crowd.
लड़कियां खेलती कब से आ रही है लड़कों की तरह, बट नोटिस बहुत देर बाद हुई है.
Society prepared.
Yes.
Thank you, because the next session will start in a couple of minutes.
Yes, thank you
And
so
I just
much.
want to drive home a point that the popularity of women's cricket can be seen in the media, where newspapers are full of news on women's cricket. There is so much of women's cricket to be watched.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for giving us a detailed in-how the unconscious biases which prevails and how it is that women can take forward into ensuring that cricket is not only mainstream to men. Thank you so much for the great conversation. Now I would request Mr. Hardeep ji to kindly come up on stage and give the mementos to our team members who are yet to receive them.